NISHTHA online on DIKSHA. National Initiative for School Heads and Teachers Holistic Advancement 3.0 is an integrated training program for teachers and school heads at pre-primary and primary stage of education. NISHTHA 3.0 Foundational Literacy and Numeracy is a holistic program under Samagra Shiksha, a flagship program of Ministry of Education, Government of India under the Nippon Bharat Mission. There are 12 modules under NISHTHA Foundational Literacy and Numeracy 3.0. These modules are focused on holistic development of all children. Features of this online course include text resources, explanatory and demonstration videos, interactive and reflective activities. Additional resources include activities on each course and quiz for assessment. On completion of a course, digital certification will be generated. How to do the course? Install DIKSHA app. Register on DIKSHA with your mobile number or email ID. Access the course using the link or QR code. Read text resources, watch videos and do the activities. Attempt the quiz and secure 70% to get certified.